Hello, Katie here from Katie's World. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to just do a short walkthrough of my camping, outdoors, nature mini album that I have the kits available in my Etsy shop. The link is below in the description of this video where you can pick up one of these kits if they're still available when you're watching this video. Also, please check out other project kits that I have in my Etsy shop as well if this one is no longer available. But as of right now, I do have some left in the shop. So here's a just quick look at the cover. It says Back to Nature here. This is a sticker in your kit. Most of the pieces are pre-cut and then you just get the fun of putting it together. There is full step-by-step instructions available as well in the kit. With the cardstock stickers, you get a piece of brown cardstock. You just put the stickers on and then just fussy cut around them and glue them down. But the strips, the photo mats, those are in the kit. The white does represent the photo, so this white piece of cardstock is not in your kit. That just represents your photo. Here's a look at the spine. There's a cardstock sticker here on the spine as well. And on the back, this is a cut apart that you will cut from your 12 by 12 cut apart sheet. I think it's one of the 4 by 6s, and I just trimmed it out and then matted it on brown cardstock. So we're going to open it up. Now this page style album was inspired by or designed by Ginger Ropp from my sister Scrapbook. Please check her out. She's here on YouTube as well. And I get a lot of my inspiration from watching other YouTubers as well, especially when I get stuck or mind block. I just put on YouTube and just start watching. So I got to give a little shout out and credit to her. I did get her permission to use her page design. I did a summer album like this as well as a Disney autographs album I have also. And a family album. I love this page design. So awesome, Ginger. You did a great job. I did some resizing on the pages. However, so it's a little different as far as sizing and stuff. But other than that, it's pretty much the same design. So I'll just give you a quick walkthrough. In here, I just have some insertion points for some photo mats. And I just use the cardstock stickers and some strips of paper. This is a border strip that you get. Again, the white is not in your kit. That's just to represent the photo, just to show you what it would look like with a photo there. So you have on each page, there's 6 pages in your book, and on each page is assembled the same way. You just do it 6 times. There's a large 5 by 7 mat, so you would just take a 5 by 7 photo and just you'll have to trim it down a little bit and glue it on here, and they're all double matted, which is really nice. And then you have a mat, photo mat in there as well. You can put some photos here, and on the back of each page you have a flap. So the front will give you a pocket and a flap, and the back will give you a flap, and then the side gives you that extra pocket. And you can probably do 2 or 3 more inserts in these as well. Just depends how bulky you want to get it or how many pictures that you have available. You can also do journaling on the back. So you don't have as many photos, but you want to write out some of your memories to go along with the pictures. You can put a photo on the front and journal on the back as well. I'm not sure if I opened these up for you just to get a look. And in your kit, you'll get everything is bagged. So this is all pre-cut for you, and you'll have it bagged by page 1, page 2, page 3, etc. To make it real easy to assemble. I'm always available if you do have any questions. My information's on the front page of your instruction packet. So if you have any questions, please feel free to contact me. I'm more than happy to help that any way I can. But anyway, so there you have it. So there's here's the inside back cover and a couple photo mats there. And the back, we saw the back. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this walkthrough of my Camping Outdoors album. Again, if you'd like to pick up one of these kits, please do so quickly. I think I've gone about halfway through them already by the time this video is coming out. So we have a few kits left in the shop. Check out the description below, click on the link, and that'll take you right to my shop. Also, if you like this video, please click the like button. If you'd like to see more videos from me, please click that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications, and it will alert you each time I post a new video. I also do how-to videos, page kit assemblies, paper piecings, and all kinds of new fun projects coming up. So thank you so much again for watching, and have a great day.